I was born and bred in Darwin. It's a beautiful place, I love it, but the education isn't as good as down south, which is why I moved for university. I definitely have always wanted to go back. I work part-time with PwC during uni. I study commerce but major in accounting. It really opens up any industry you might be interested in. You get to partner with all sorts of inspiring people.
I was only about 12 or 13 and I got a big production down in Melbourne. Moving away from family, which is a big thing for a kid to do, especially an Aboriginal kid. Some of my career highlights: Australian Rules was a feature film that I was in, All Saints, Water Rats, a show with Kathy Freeman called Going Bush. Redfern Now, I was lucky enough to be on the first series of that. Responsible financial management was definitely a big part of my upbringing. Being a child actor, I was earning a good wage and my mum made sure that I put my money away. That's all we have time for this week. I'm Luke Carroll. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Since becoming a dad, I have to be a lot more smart with my money. You know, I've been pretty lucky in terms of being employed in the industry. At times it has been tough. You know, there are times where you could go without work for up to 6 months. But your passion overrides all that, you know. I love acting. I love doing what I do. I could not see myself doing anything else. As an actor, I do run myself like a small business. Whenever I make big financial decisions, I always fall back to my team. That consists of my partner, my financial advisor, and my management company.
Accounting isn't just about numbers, it's more about interpreting those numbers to help other people get to where they want to be.
I think it's extremely important for young Indigenous kids to gain their education.
Luke, T-5.
Okay, Luke, we're good.
We need Indigenous voices across all industries in this country of ours.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Luke Carroll.
The more role models there are out there, the more the next generation can look up to those role models and say, yes, I can do it as well.
Accounting isn't usually thought of by students as being something that helps the community. It's usually things like law, health, teaching, but accounting can help communities manage the money that they get. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do once I finish my degree, but I'd like to one day be able to go back to regional communities, taking the skills that I've learnt and passing them on, not only for students but for their community as well.